Hey embracers, welcome to today's video. I was gifted this neck fan for an honest review, and so I decided to get it out of the box this morning before I started my morning chores. So far I'm liking it. It feels comfortable around the neck thanks to this flexible part here that it has, and then that's where you charge it, and this is how you put it around your neck. So I started my day by tidying up in the bedroom. Now, straight out of the box they tell you that you should charge it first, but I like to use these things when they come out of the box just to see how well they work before their first full charge. For me, I feel like it's a mark of how long the item has been sitting in the warehouse before it got shipped to me, but I digress. So I'm gonna be wearing this while I tidy up in the bedroom and do some laundry, and then I'll get back to you guys with how it's going, how long it holds up before it needs charging straight out of the box. Because sometimes, like, think about it, a neck fan, this might be something that you purchase for like a trip or an event. Suppose you don't get it until like the day off, you wanna know if you can carry it same way, right? So let's see how it goes.
Talking way too loud, and if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I Look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not with me, alright. Wish all they looking at me. She want me to slide for the flame. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shaking my sauce, been writing these songs since 48 key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soil, 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been taking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me, no drama, more flights, next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass, I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the road, so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna breathe me, I'm trying to do Fiji, I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul. I don't care what you say, 'cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. Yeah, I think she want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems. Real one from the jump start. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Lord knows it's God's word.
Whoever last took up this line, which is one of the kids, took it inside and stored it upside down. So when I was ready to put it back up, all of the lines were all tangled. And so right now I'm just trying to figure out which lines to go over where so I can open up the clothesline. Boy, I'm just unbox new things in this video. So this is a bag for my clothespins. I don't know if you've been paying attention, you'd have seen me with a box in my previous videos, which I'm gonna take that out soon. So I bought this one on Amazon and it has these carbon hooks so I can hook it on the line. So it's convenient. So I love that about it. And it holds all my clothespins, so that's great. And I think there's even space I could add some more as well. I like that it's a mesh, so if for example it gets wet outside, which it has since I've gotten it, they can still dry, the water will still drain out and that won't damage the clothespins, especially the wooden ones. So I like that about it.
I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. I don't care if you don't wanna do all the things that I do, that I do. I only wanna be the one who makes you feel so good, so good. I'm trying to figure out where all of the pieces are
I've been recording for 40 minutes and the fan is still on. And that's straight out of the box with no charge. Not bad.